So, hello everyone. Let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD question. Check if one string swap can make strings equal. We are given with S1 and S2 of equal lengths. B and K are not equal. So, we need to swap character at this index. And A are equal. N and N both are equal. Now, K and B are not equal. So I need a swap here and another swap here. So if I swap these two, I need to get S2. If I take and swap that, then I'll get KANB. Now it is equal to S2. But wait, what if I have something like ABCD, PBCQ? Here A and B are not equal, so I need a swap here, and B are equal, so I skip this part. C and C are equal, then skip that. But D and Q are not equal, so I need a swap here. But if you see, there are only two characters which need to be swapped. If I swap these two, then I'll get D, B, C and A. But this is not equal to P, B, C, Q. So what I need to do, I also take another example like this. B, A, N, K and another element E. Here KANB C, right? So if I take this example, I have the same characters, but I have added E and C. This needs a swap, this doesn't need a swap, this doesn't need a swap, this needs a swap. So I need here a swap, here a swap, and E and C are also not equal. So I need another swap here, but this will be not a true output, because how can I swap these three to get this KNNBC? So I cannot get an answer when my count is greater than 2, and I can also not get my output when my count is equal to 1. But what if the count is 0? That means if I have string 1 as ABC and string 2 also as ABC, then the number of count which are not equal, the characters which are not equal, is 0. So when the count is greater than true, we will return false, and when the count is 1, we also return false. But when the count is 0 or when the count is 2, then we will return true. Now, after that, I have another thing. Even though here the count is 2, the number of swaps we required is 2, but the characters are different. So, here I maintain C1 as A and C2 is P and C3 is D and C4 is Q. Now, if C1 and C4 are not equal, or C3 and C2 are not equal, then I'll return false. This is how you solve this problem. So if you like this video, share it to your friends, and if you want the code, it is in the description, and check that. Thank you.